Good morning. Good morning. This is Victor Jimenez with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I'm here at 22822 Crespi Street in Woodland Hills, and I'm in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line for Beatrice Rosenblatt and Dalton Rundell. So the main sewer line is a portion of the waste drainage piping which is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drainline system to the public sewer. The building drainline system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping which are underneath or interior to the structure. Today's video examination is not focused on the building drainline system, so further evaluation is desired regarding the building drainline system. A licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drainline video examination can be set up through our office. Alright, so I've accessed today's main sewer line from a 4-inch main sewer line cleanout located about 2 feet to the left of the front door. The line is about 70 feet, approximately 70 feet in length. It essentially runs in a direct line from this cleanout to the bottom of the street. So all of the pipes in the house exit out right where that cleanout sat. And it pretty much runs straight. It does go to the left and right slightly a couple times, but it's more or less pretty much just a straight run to the edge wall of the property and then down the hill. So we're going to be coming from public sewer back up to this access point here. We'll be commenting on the condition and what's going on with the line. So pulling away from public sewer, we are in a 6-inch diameter vitrified clay piping. So the vitrified clay is a very common material for main sewer lines. It has a long service life expectancy. However, it is more susceptible to damage of earthquakes and seismic activity, and it has a tendency to let in roots at the joint areas. So there are indications that there are roots occurring in this line at various points. Now, I'm not sure when the last time this line was cleaned. So how often the maintenance or the cleaning will need to be done on this is hard to say at this time. It's something that's going to have to be inspected and kind of more discovery is done as time goes on, and you can get an idea of how much the roots are actually growing at certain spots. But in pushing out, I didn't see any section of broken or damaged pipe, which is good. We're obviously coming back here and going a little bit slower as we come back, so we're going to make sure we don't miss anything. But essentially, the point of what I'm bringing up with regards to the section of roots is that the line will have to be cleaned every so often just to ensure that the roots don't damage the pipe. And roots left basically unmaintained can create blockages. They can actually damage the pipe. So overall, you want to kind of keep an eye out for that. So there's an example here at the corner joint area. That buildup there is just roots coming in. The way that the clay pipes are sealed, it uses more of a bell and a spigot type setup, and then they put mortar around to kind of fill the gaps. And roots have an ability to basically get through that section. So as long as you're cleaning those, you're not going to really run into any issues with the clay pipe. Well, obviously you have the potential of the pipe breaking, but on its own, outside of the roots. But with regards to the roots, as long as you clean them, that's really all that needs to be done to properly maintain that section. Alright, so we have about 10 more feet of the line. In a few feet, the line material is going to change. And I'll cover that when we get to it. Alright, right here. So the connection point, this is actually a section of ABS plastic. ABS plastic is an excellent material for main sewer lines. It has a long service life expectancy. It's also intended to be impervious to root intrusion and has a smooth inner surface, so it's very efficient at washing out debris. Now the access point that we use today is actually what's called a two-way clean out. Essentially what that means is you have the ability to both push out towards public sewer and back up under the house to inspect both sections. going to be pulling out here of the clean out, and I'm going to go ahead and get a photograph for the report, but just to kind of orient you. Here is where the clean out's located. It's fitted with this rubber cap, and there's the front door, little area here. So yeah, this section essentially you can push out or plug through that way, or you can push up under the house. Okay, so with that, I'm going to be wrapping up the video portion of the examination for today. Once again, this is Victor Jimenez with Sewerline Check Professionals. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant day.